Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be putting together a box for my groomsmen. We had one more groomsman that, well, my husband had added one more groomsman and I kept forgetting to do his box. So I'm about to put together a box for him and one for my two ushers. So the boxes are all going to be the same. So I have these boxes. I got these boxes from Amazon. Right, so I have boxes, I have paper shreds, I have these shot glasses. So I did these shot glasses myself. Take a shot, we're tying the knot, and it has our name and our wedding dates. So I got these glasses from Johnson's Plastic, and I sublimated them on them myself. And I have these flasks. I have a video showing how I sublimate these flasks. I will leave it in the description below. And I have some little drinks. So this one is for the groomsmen, and these two will be for my two ushers. And I have the little decals that I'm going to put on the lid of the box. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the decals on the box. And I just cut these decals with my Cricut. This says, will you be my usher? The other one says, will you be my groomsman? So I just cut them with my, what is that? Silhouette. I think I said Cricut, but I cut them with my Silhouette. And this is Oracle 651 vinyl, and I use the Magic Shelf transfer paper from you can get it from Dollar General. Dollar General, they might sell it at Dollar General too, but I meant to say Dollar Tree. You can get it from Dollar Tree. Yep, so that's one. And then I'm going to go ahead and assemble a box. Very simple, like this. You just fold it over, so that's what the box looks like. All right, and into my other one right here. Well, I can't even get this off. I can't get the paper off. Wow. All right, just gonna place that on there. I got my little scraper thing, so I do that a little bit. Then peel off the tape. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this one. Number 2, and now I have this one for my groomsmen. Alright, so I have my vinyl decals on my boxes. Alright, so then I have some paper shreds. So I could put a little paper shreds with the box. Hope I got enough. I only got one pack of paper shreds. Should be enough. It don't gotta be nothing fancy, you know? just a little bit to cover the bottoms. Nothing fancy. I forgot something. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I forgot my magnets. My save the date magnets. All right, so this is the box for the groomsman. So Eric is the groomsman, so I'm gonna put his flask in there like that. So initially when I did these, I did the mini bottles of the tequila the 1800, and it fit perfectly in here. This fit okay, but not as good as I wanted to. So I am gonna have to get some more what do you call this, paper shreds or something to stick in there, because I don't want it clinking together. But that 1800 would fit in there perfect. And then I'm gonna add this save the date magnet. So I made these magnets with my Glowforge. If anybody looking for magnets, I will leave the link to my website and to these magnets in the description below. But that's how my groomsman box looks. And my usher boxes are going to be the same way. But I have a Crown Black in their box. Like I said, I initially used the 1800 and it fit in there perfectly. So I'm going to have to yeah, add some padding and stuff in there because I don't want it to be clinking against each other. But that's that one. And this one is going to be the exact same way. So again, I made this. I made these glasses. I made this flask. And I made these magnets. So I have this stuff on my website if anybody's interested in purchasing any. And if you do sublimation or whatever, I do have a video to show you how I did the flask. The magnets were made with my Glowforge. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. And the box is just closed up like this. And voila. That's it. So, I hope this was helpful. I hope we gave you guys some ideas. Until next time, y'all have a great one.